In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do and set up dashboards in Monday.com. Whether you're a project manager looking to enhance team collaboration or just trying to organize your work life, this guide will help you create efficient and effective dashboards in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll want to head over to Monday.com. If you're not already familiar with it, Monday.com is a popular work operating system that allows teams to run projects and workflows with confidence. So open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Monday.com website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your account. Look for the login option, often located in the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and it will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you prefer the ease of using your Google account, you'll find an option to log in via Google. Select it and choose the Google account you wish to link. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Monday.com dashboard. The next step is to create a new dashboard. For this, look for the plus icon, typically found on the left sidebar or towards the top of your screen. This icon is quite intuitive. It acts as your gateway to creating new boards, dashboards, and other resources within Monday.com. Once you've clicked on the plus icon, a drop-down menu should appear. Choose Dashboard from the list of options. Now it's time to name your dashboard. Naming is important as it helps in identifying what purpose the dashboard serves. Think about what this specific dashboard will be tracking or managing. Is it for a particular project, a team, or maybe even just your personal tasks? Once you've decided, type in a name that clearly reflects its purpose. After naming, you'll have to set the dashboard's privacy type. Monday.com offers a few options here, ranging from private, where only you can see it, to shared, where anyone with access to your account can view it. Choose the one that best suits your needs. With the name and privacy settings sorted, the final step is to hit Create Dashboard. Clicking this will generate a brand new dashboard that you can now tailor to fit the specific needs of your project or team. From here, you can begin adding widgets and further customizing the layout to start tracking your project progress, deadlines, team workloads, and more. And there you have it, a complete and easy setup of dashboards in Monday.com. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful in getting you started on organizing your work. Explore the various features and make the most out of your new dashboard. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy organizing.